many times when we have Steadicam on set and the Steadicam goes low mode, our camera flips upside down and the image goes upside down as well. So on all of our monitor, it looks upside down. So to solve that problem, many of the cinema camera manufacturers have done a feature in cameras called flip image or mirror image. So in this video, I will show you how you can do that in RED V RAPTOR. Now in RED V RAPTOR, you have two ways to flip the image. First is basically really flipping the sensor, and by doing that, you will record your clips upside down as well. And it is useful if your camera is upside down and you flip the image and it is recorded like that, so your editor doesn't have to go through another step to make it 180-degree rotate. So that is one way, but with that comes some issues like there have been seen in RED V RAPTOR. When you flip the sensor, there comes a dead pixel. So to avoid that, there is another way in monitoring where you can just flip the image, but the recorded file is gonna stay upside down. So I will show you both the ways in this video. So for really flipping the sensor, you go to menu, and in menu you need to go down till you see system setting and you click on select, and after that you need to go down till you see sensor and you click on select, and then you click on flip mirrored sensor scan. So once you do that, first of all, you will see this thing that it's gonna be baked in on the RED files, okay? And then your camera is gonna ask you for a new calibration, and you will recalibrate the camera. And to recalibrate, you go to menu, back, and then again, and then you go to maintenance, and in maintenance you go sensor calibration and you do okay, and it will calibrate. So this is one way of doing that. What is the other way? The other way is like not really flipping your sensor, leaving the sensor as is, just flipping the image to preview on set. So how can we flip the image in monitoring? Let me just show you. So you go to your menu, and in menu you scroll down to your monitoring, and wherever you want to flip your image, let's say I want to do it on ST1 and 2 because that's where mostly we do it. So I will select it, and then I will go on STA1, and in there I will scroll down till I see flip mirror. So I will select it again, and then there are gonna be some options like flip image, mirror image, or flip mirror image. If you want to really rotate your video 180-degree, then you should do flip mirror image, and that's what really flips your image. So this way you don't flip your sensor, but you're monitoring only, so people can preview, but when the editor will have the file, it will be upside down and he will have to flip it again. Now, I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.